It's 1095. The Turks have established their capital only 100 miles from Constantinople. The Emperor Alexios has decided he needs some help from his brother Christians in the West. So he's sending a letter to the Pope asking for help. On the face of it, it's a perfectly reasonable proposition. Actually, Alexios cannot even begin to imagine the effect this letter will have. This letter was going to blow the world apart. Alexios ruled the Byzantine Church, and he assumed the Pope would act like a Byzantine official, organising the recruitment of a few paid professional soldiers. This was a mistake.
With the warriors came a host of civilians, outnumbering the sands of the seashore or the stars of heaven. They were carrying palms and bearing crosses on their shoulders. There were women and children, too, who had left their own countries.
Those were the words of the Emperor's daughter, Anna. What neither she nor her father realised was that these people had come because of his own letter to the Pope.
They ravaged the outskirts of Nicaea, acting with horrible cruelty to the whole population. They cut some of the babies to pieces. They impaled others on wooden spits and roasted them over a fire. Old people were subjected to every kind of torture.
This action was of limited effectiveness in reducing the world population of Muslims because the Crusaders' victims were once again Christians.